Hello everyone, my name is Patti. I am the CSO of Panome Bio, and I'm here today for ChatGJP. The question is, how can metabolomics help my cancer research? So first, let's take a moment and think about what characterizes cancer as a disease. The most relevant feature with respect to metabolism is that it has cancer cells have uncontrolled proliferation. If you think about what happens when a cell undergoes proliferation, one cell turns into 2 cells, to 4 cells, to 8 cells, etc. And when a cell replicates, it must recreate its entire contents. So that means it must recreate all of its genetic material, it has to recreate all of its proteins, it has to recreate all of its cell membranes, etc. And so that is a really large anabolic load. And to make all of those materials, it also is going to require carbon for biomass and other atoms, as well as energy for synthesis. And that means that when a cell is transformed, it must adapt its metabolism to support those processes. Indeed, altered cellular energetics or altered metabolism is now recognized as a general hallmark of cancer. So it's not specific to just lung cancer or brain cancer or liver cancer, but rather a general hallmark of cancers. And so metabolomics really provides us with a tool to dig deeper into trying to understand specifically how metabolism, specifically what metabolic processes are altered to try to support the new biosynthesis and all of that anabolic burden that I mentioned previously. We know that there are a lot of altered pathways that occur in cells. We know that cancer cells have high avidity for glucose. That glucose is metabolized mostly through glycolysis and transformed into lactate, a phenomenon that's known as the Warburg effect or aerobic glycolysis. That's probably the most studied metabolic feature of cancer. But there are many other metabolic alterations that are known to occur, some generally in many cancers, others that are very specific to some individual cancers. So metabolomics provides us with an opportunity to study all of those processes, and that's very important because it's possible that we can target those metabolic processes therapeutically, and that provides a potential chance for us to try to block the proliferation of cancer cells and therefore mitigate disease.